PHIVOLCS hopes earthquake prediction will be possible in the near future. Monokson, tell us why.
The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, or PHIVOLCS, and the Philippine Nuclear Research Institute, or PNRI, are now looking for ways to predict earthquakes. PHIVOLCS Director Renato Solidum said there is no technology yet that can predict the occurrence of an earthquake, but it is part of the agency's mandate. PHIVOLCS is now using instruments like Global Positioning System to try to predict a possible quake. GPS instruments were installed in the Valley Fault system, which might generate a magnitude 7.2 quake.
We put up GPS stations all over the Philippines, so we monitor how the ground is moving. The idea is if you have a rubber band and if you stretch it, and if the ground is moving sideways, then that rubber band, for example, will not break until you stretch it too far, right? So just like the ground, they can be moving but not really rupturing and producing an earthquake. We hope to detect that.
PHIVOLCS said although it is very hard to predict an earthquake, they will continue to study its patterns.
So even if we have the technology but there is no pattern and faults are erratic, there is no single pattern that they would show. That's why predicting an earthquake is difficult.
Solidum said China's once correctly predicted an earthquake by observing animal behavior before it occurred.
China na po kanyan, meron ng ganun technology.
Once lang, nachamba lang yun. Unusual behavior of animals and other people maybe.
For a year now, PNRI has been studying a radioactive gas called radon. Japan, China, and Italy are also doing the same study on radon. Experts have observed high emission of radon in areas within the fault lines.
That's where we build the confidence na merong changes in the radon tapos may nangyari na earthquake. So, but we have to build up the database.
PNRI said research on radon needs more time. Additional funding is also necessary for the project. Mon Hokson reporting for Y News.